Today we'll talk about how can you remove from album on your family album app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. You click here on settings down here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do next, you just go down here. So you keep going down here, then you just come here to here family members. Just click here on your name here, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on remove from album here, just click on it. You click here on OK, then automatically it's going to remove from album with you on your family album. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.